Hey guys, it's Connor, and today we're going over a very simple double exposure effect that I used recently in a music video. In principle, the steps for this are super easy, but you're gonna see that a lot of tweaking needs to be done to really get the desired effect. So I've got my performance clip on the bottom, and then on top I've got the B-roll that I want to overlay on top of it. All I need to do is click on the top layer and change the blend mode to screen, but if that's all you do, it's probably gonna look pretty ugly and look something like this. Here's the thing with the screen blend mode. It basically works by saying, hey, look at all the clips below you. Any parts of those clips that are super bright, I want you to be transparent. And anything that's super dark, I want you to be opaque. That means if all this white area around my subject here is, let's say 80% brightness, then the footage is only going to be 80% transparent. And that's why we see a lot of this bleed of this B-roll footage on the background where we don't want to see it. This understanding of how the screen blend mode works is exactly why you only see double exposure shots on really bright white backgrounds with a really dark subject. So the only way that we can fix this is by increasing the brightness of the background to make the clip more transparent in that area, and increasing the darkness of my subject so that we can see more of the clip on him. You can do this however you want. I'm literally just using an instance of Lumetri Color to fix that issue. And you can see here, all I'm doing is cranking up the highlights and the whites and then bringing the blacks and the shadows all the way down to create a much more high contrast image. Now we have a super clean selection, but there's still one extra thing that I like to do on clips like this. I personally don't like when the colors clash between both of the pieces of footage. So I like to go to Effects, type in Tint, and then I like to drag that onto my bottom clip so that I'm only seeing the color from the B-roll footage. Now we can play it back and see the effect only stays on our subject and we don't see it anywhere else in the frame. From here you can mess around with the contrast and the colors of your B-roll clip or your performance clip to get the desired result. If you found this helpful, I'd really appreciate you subscribing and liking the video so that more people can see this helpful information as well. But otherwise, thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it, and I'll see you in the next one.